Hello, judges. I'm Brian. Today, I'm going to walk you through the Rynus network. Rynus stems from our work in Web 2 as a cloud computing service with 6 years of experience, 200,000 registered users, 2 million in revenue in 2023. We've built a data center in Tier 3 standard and have close relationships with both B2B and B2C customers. With deep experience, we realized centralized model has big problems. First, skyrocketing costs. Second, GPU shortage. GPU supply is constrained by NVIDIA monopoly. Third, inability to serve a large number of customers who have idle hardware power, such as GPUs, mobile phones, tablets, and wish to earn money. And most AI data labeling and training service is now off-chain, lacking transparency and security. So, Rynus is here to solve these challenges with a decentralized GPU network. Our solution provides 80% lower prices, unlimited number, and selection of GPUs, unique money-earning solutions for all devices, and especially Rynus takes advantage of compression technology to bring AI data labeling and training services on-chain. What sets Rynus apart? Rynus integrates any device, from PC, laptop to mobile, and tablet, empowering millions of idle hardware. We're also the first decentralized data labeling service to put all data on-chain, ensuring quantity, quality, and security. Rynus deals with massive data. For example, a data labeling job can have millions of images. Training AI computer vision model with training data of up to 1 billion images. Or a 90-minute movie needs to render at least 129,600 frames. Each image, frame, Rynus stores their proof on-chain. But EVM-based blockchains are expensive. Sending a token on Ethereum can cost $30 per transaction versus just $0.00025 on Solana. Solana is right for Rynus with high scalability and low cost. Plus, we leverage Solana's state compression to reduce fees even further. Instead of writing all data on-chain, we only store the hash, minimizing the on-chain storage size. Rynus connects computing buyers, organizations requiring hardware power for data labeling, AI training, or rendering, with computing providers who supply the necessary resources by plugging their devices into the network. To show you how Rynus works, let's dive into Rynus Cloud. In the Rynus Cloud, we can select to train AI models, render 3D projects, and label data. We can connect wallet here, for example, Solflare wallet. For providers want to contribute GPUs to the network, head to Worker. First, download Worker app and install. Create a new worker, add wallet address. Then download the config file. Import it. The worker is now connected. It will process AI training and 3D rendering jobs sent to it. For data labeling tasks, Worker can be any device, from PC, laptop to mobile, and tablet. On Telegram, open our mini app and just tap on it to label the data. With millions of workers across the globe, Rynus writes massive signals and information from each worker and stores them on-chain. Solana's state compression allows us to do all of this at a low cost. Next, we'll show how computing buyers can use Rynus service. Start with data labeling. After uploading the data, select them to create job. Select the type of labeling and add labels. Configure security settings and payment. After submitted, the job is distributed to various workers. They label the data using our Telegram mini app on any device, even mobiles and tablets. We can see the images are being labeled by our workers. When completed, export the labeled data. Next, AI training. We can use the labeled data we just completed to train AI models or upload a new project. Select the file, configure parameters, worker settings, and payment. The job is then distributed to a network of workers for training. All data is stored on-chain. Let's check the progress. It'll take a while, so speed up. We can see the total training time and the training log. This testing mode lets us see the testing data. And finally, download the output. Lastly, head over to 3D rendering. The steps are very much the same as training AI. Select the file, configure the scene, worker settings, and payment. Online and qualified workers will receive the job for processing. All data is stored on-chain. Back to progress. It's creating proof of work now. Let's check the render. You can choose to re-render or accept it. Download. For every job, computing providers will receive 80% payment. The treasury will capture 20% protocol fees. But at the start, Rynus will lower the fees down to 0% to encourage users. Rynus is governed by the RNS token. It manages payment, incentives, and platform governance. Rynus leverages GPUs for AI and rendering, and any device for data labeling. In the future, we'll connect CPUs for gaming, NAS for storage, VR/AR devices for the metaverse, and even drones for rescue and scientific research. Rynus aims to be all-in-one, multi-device DePIN solution. To wrap up, we truly believe Rynus is a seamless Web 2 to Web 3 bridge, with capabilities to bring millions of developers and artists to Solana. Thank you so much for listening.